Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Kawasaki Vulcan 500 LTD. Super cool, classic cruiser style with the step seat, liquid cooled. This thing runs very well. It's got a little windscreen, only 9,988 miles on this awesome satin black Kawasaki Vulcan 500. Come on by, make your lightweight cruiser dreams come true for just $39.99. This bike is in really good shape. It's not going to be here long. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.